The one behind me is the tallest statue in the world. I'm here in India, in the state of Gujarat, and I'm gonna explain you a bit of the story of this crazy statue, which is 182 meters tall. Nice music. I'm gonna head inside right now. You can climb on top of this statue, so it's gonna be interesting. Yes, it's called the Statue of Unity. Why is it called the Statue of Unity? Because this guy, this huge massive dude in front of me, who is 182 meters tall, is the one who unified India. India before was divided in princely states. There were maybe 562 or so, a huge number. This is still in pre-independence India. And after that, Sardar Patel unified the whole country, and this is why it's called the Statue of Unity. On this side we have Narmada River. Narmada Nadi is one of the most sacred rivers of India. It passes through a lot of very important cities where there are Jyotirlingas and many other things like Omkareshwar, Maheshwar. It ends up in the Arabian Sea. And back there, by the way, I don't know if you can see it, but there is a huge massive dam which stops a bit of the river. This massive huge statue right here in front of me is covered in bronze basically, and inside it's made of iron. Where did all this material come from? Apparently, to build it, the government of Gujarat, when Modi ji was the chief minister, took this material from thousands, tens of thousands of villages around here, and this is how they got this immense statue done just a few years ago, by the way. I'll show you the Statue of Unity, what's inside. So this is the entry to, I don't know what exactly. I think there is a gallery or something like that. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm seeing something interesting you might like. This is like the... See? There is a massive Sardar Patel's head. I've never seen a head this big in my life. Look at this. It's like a trip, literally. Insane. This is just the basement basically of the statue, and look at how modern, like, it's futuristic and all that. Think of how crazy this is. Basically, even Bill Gates was here just a few weeks back. He came and visited this place right here where I'm standing. So I made it inside. I got a express entrance. उस साइड पे चलो। ओ मैं अकेला हूँ, दूसरे लोगों के साथ नहीं जा सकता हूँ। अच्छा चलो, okay. Okay, then right now we are going on top. I'm gonna show you what it's like. We are in the elevator. Cool. Very cool. So we made it up. I think, I don't know where we are exactly right now. Maybe we are in the chest or in the head of Sardar Patel ji. I don't know. How do we even go outside? So yeah, this is what it's like upstairs. You can see the structure of the statue. Look at this. It goes all the way down. Very cool. Okay, right now I'm gonna show you a bit what it's like to see outside. Outside is like this. You can see the Narmada River from quite above. This is the highest you can go here on the statue. It's crazy though. Before I was walking just down there, you see that walkway. This is where I was just just before. Crazy. You can see the dam down on that side. Narmada river is just down here. Very impressive. And the funny Statue of Unity sign is just there. This statue is like way higher than any other statue in the world. It's like a skyscraper, a nice big skyscraper size. You see how much taller this statue is compared to other. Crazy. Okay, right now I'm heading outside again. I feel like a vampire, back to the real world, back to where you don't stand inside statues' chests at 150 meters of altitude. Yeah, there we go. I don't know where these steps go. They are heading towards the feet of the statue. I'm gonna see how smaller I am compared to Sardar Patel's toes. See, this is very cool actually. Look at this. I see. I think you can keep on going up on this side apparently. Namaste ji. Yeah, this is where you can go. Okay, and this is where I was supposed to walk these steps. I was too lazy, and anyway, I'm walking the steps now. I think you can actually go and stand next to the feet of the statue. That's gonna be another massive trip. Let's see what it's like. Yes, you can do that. You can go to the feet of the tallest statue in the world. Insane. You won't believe what I'm saying. This is impossible, literally. This is impossible. This is how huge one foot of the statue is. Look at how huge these feet are. It's crazy. It's like hard to comprehend. Yes, behind me there is just a foot. Crazy. Look, basically one toe of Sardar Patel's G is like almost twice as my height. Crazy. Look at this. Massive. Can you believe what I'm seeing? Yes, it's very detailed actually. It's extremely well done, no doubt about that. Think of how difficult it is to make such a huge thing. Very detailed. This is from Piche. Not all of you might appreciate this view, but yeah. Yes, in a way. Right now I'm walking through Sardar Patel's legs, and I'm ending up on the other side where the feet, I'm in between his feet. If he was a giant, he would smash me. Panoramic views of the tallest statue in the world. From here you can have a... Okay, don't touch hand, ladies. Remember, don't. From here you can see a bit better the Narmada river. And I don't know what that is. It looks like a crocodile actually. Please let me know if there are crocodiles here in the Narmada river, because I'm pretty sure it is. That little thing down there. What? Yeah, it must be. Okay, anyway. See you next time, Sardar Patel ji. Right now I'm gonna head back. It's getting very hot here. It's the month of March here in Gujarat, and after 10-11 AM it gets too hot. You won't believe how hot it gets around here. So yeah, time to run towards my next adventure. This music makes you feel proud to be Indian. It's very patriotic, interesting. By the way, here is where you can get your food apparently. There is a sort of food court. I guess all the food here will be super pricey and expensive. As pricey as the ticket, the entrance ticket is for foreigners. So if you didn't know, now you know. The tallest statue in the world is here in Gujarat, in India. It's the Statue of Unity. It's Sardar Patel's G statue. It's 182 meters tall. It's unbelievable. Actually, it's a very crazy experience. If you pass by these areas around Surat and nearby the Madhya Pradesh border, just make sure you stop by, because it's a very cool experience. I mean, you won't see the tallest statue in the world often in your life, I believe. So thanks for watching today's video. As usual, I really appreciate if you subscribe and you help me grow this channel so that I can show you more and more of this unbelievable country called India. And travel karo, zindagi jiyo.